Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh. In this section of tutorial, we are going to install the software for Java programming language. So as we have already discussed about Java and Java applications in the last section of tutorial, so let's start with the installation. So just go to the Google and there write JDK download. It will redirect us to the page, and here we'll click on the first link and it will open the download page for JDK, and here it is the first link for download. So just click on this link and it will open the license page and different software for different systems. So our system is Windows 64 installers. So just click on this link and here it will ask for the network license agreement for Oracle Java SE. So yes, click on this and click on the download option. After some time it will start downloading. So as I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again here. So if you are not download, so just download it, and after downloading just install it. After installation just go to the notepad directly, and here I will show you one example with the help of JDK after installation. So if you have installed JDK in your system, then just start from here and just write what I am writing here. So Java hello for public static void main. So this is the main function from here Java program will execute. Without this we will not be able to execute our program. System.out.println. So this is for printing the output at the console. So here we'll write hello world, and after closing the whole bracket just save it with the name of the name and the folder, the name of class and the folder name should be same, and after that just write an extension Java, make it hello. So it is saying that I have already, so yeah, I will replace it, and here I have saved this file, and I will show you that where I have saved my file. Just go to the computer, local disk C, open the Java. In Java here is my hello4 file. So now this is my program. Now I will open CMD, go to the CMD, and then here just write the drive in which you have saved your folder. So I have saved my folder in D drive, just D drive, and after that just call the folder in which you have saved your file. So I have saved it into Java, so here it is Java, in D it is Java, so I have saved it into Java. After that just go in C drive and check that where your installation happened of Java. So here my installation, just click on this, just go into bin file, and here from C to bin we'll copy this, and just go to the CMD and write set path, and copy the file, copy the path name here. Set path is equal to, just copy it here, and after copying it just click enter, and then by using Java C compile it, and here we'll write the name of that folder of which we want to compile. So here I have written and click on enter. It will compile our program, and here it is showing that there is no error, and then just write java and write the folder name, and then you will see here it is saying hello world. So our program is here running. So hope you all guys are able to understand all these steps. In the next upcoming tutorials we'll do more programmings with the help of java and notepads. So for this tutorial it's a whole topic now. Thank you for watching.